Hey gorgeous, it's me Vasilikis, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Huda Beauty Advent Calendar. This one retails for $175 or euros, and we have 12 products by the brand of Huda Beauty and Wishful. Wishful is a skincare brand that it is a sister brand to Huda Beauty. You can save 35% by purchasing this Advent Calendar. The design of the box is inspired by Huda's favorite crystal, which is rose quartz. Mine came a little bit smoothed and I cannot push it back. This is definitely one of the most expensive advent calendars of the year. Let's start unboxing. Ooh, it looks super pretty. As you can see, we have a lot of boxes and you can keep the exterior box for organizing basically everything. Door number 1. This one is very light. I'm guessing that it is a lip pencil. This one is a life liner, quick and easy. I'm guessing this is an eyeliner. It looks like a full size. We have a very thin brush tip. Let's see how dark it is. Also the finish of it. So the tip is very flexible. That's nice to create the line however you want. As you can see, it dries quickly and also it is smudge proof. We have a little bit of sheen, but it is not very noticeable. I'm very excited to try this one. And let's go to day number 2. So it is this one in the corner. Ooh, it's bigger and heavier. I'm guessing this is a skincare product by Wishful. I'm going to say a toner. So this is by Huda Beauty and we have the water gel hydrating primer. Oh my god, this is a full size, guys. OMG. The packaging is simple and also very pretty. I'm very curious about the consistency. And I have put too much product. I love that we have the primer with the pump. It makes it so easy to apply on the skin. We have a very light chemical scent, almost scentless. This one is very spreadable, so I'm guessing that a pea-size amount of this jelly primer is enough for all of your face. So day number 3 here. Ooh, it's fully packed. It is light. I still have no clue. It's gorgeous. This one is the Silk Balm. It is a Hydra Plumping Lip Balm. I'm very surprised. This is also full size, guys. I mean, with other high-end advent calendars, you're getting so many minis. And this is the shade Blush. Let's see the applicator. Whoop. Ooh, it looks very nice. I think it is scentless. And I'm so curious. This one is like a more wearable lip gloss. You can see it's not super glossy. I started feeling a little bit warmer here. That's because it is plumping. And the consistency is like a little bit stickier. So far I'm loving this advent calendar. And let's see where is door number 4. Dun, dun, dun. This is super lightweight. I think it is a sheet mask. Nope. Oh my god, it's a full size again. This one is a micro sheet brow pencil, #bomb brows. And we have here the shade for light brown. We have a twistable brow pencil. Ooh, and a very ultra fine tip. On the other side we have a spoolie. Woohoo! I'm going to swatch it, so oops. It wasn't very easy to swatch it. The tip is very thin and it was breaking a lot. It's not super blendable, but I need to use it on my brows. About the color, I think it is very light for me. Yeah, especially my roots. For blonde, it's fine. So I would prefer if this was in a medium shade and more people could use it. So let's find day number 5. It is right next to me in the corner. This is heavier. I'm gonna say again a toner. Wrong again. This one is the Wishful Yo Glow Gingerbread Latte Enzyme Scrub. We have some gingerbreads and also stars on the packaging. Super Christmassy and pretty. Basically this one is a face scrub. We have 40 milliliters. I'm not very sure if this is a full size. Sometimes with face scrubs you don't need a lot of product if the consistency is spreadable. Let's find out. I didn't apply a lot of product. Yes, this one is the same type of exfoliating product like the Pixie Scrub. I have done a review of the Pixie products if you want to check them out. Oh my god, this one smells fantastic. Is it gingerbread? I really appreciate that they have designed the product for the advent calendar for Christmas with the gingerbreads. Day number 6 here. I'm going to say again a toner. It's not. I love this packaging. This very sci-fi, aesthetic, mysterious. This one is the Thirst Trap Juice. It is made in South Korea. I need to post my updated skincare routine, also a skincare review of the current products that I'm using. Reminder to myself. This one is like a pump and a dropper together. Let's swatch this one as well. It is very liquidy, as you can see, and very spreadable. So this is enough for all the face. It's a little bit sticky. Maybe that's okay for other skincare products so they can stick on the serum. Another full-size product. And day 7 is this. It's heavy. I think it's skincare again. I don't want to say a toner. I'm going to say a moisturizer. Oh my god, it's a palette. It's a palette. This one is the Sand Haze eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. Ooh, I love it. Super elegant. Let's see the colors. Ooh, gorgeous. Something that I didn't mention before is that they have 3 variations of the eyeshadow palette in the advent calendars. That means you're going to get 1 palette, not 3, but there are 3 different palettes in the advent calendars. I want to see the shimmery eyeshadows, how intense they are. Ooh, they look gorgeous. I don't know how I feel about these light matte shades. Maybe they look amazing with the rest of the shimmery eyeshadows. We also have an adorable mirror, and I think the color story is very Christmassy. What do you think? Moving on to day number 8. I'm going to say again a sheet mask, but I think it is something heavier. This one is a Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. I'm guessing we have a mascara. On one side it says volume. Okay, let's see. Oh, wrong. Okay. It is very flexible and it has short spikes. And the other side says curl and length. Ooh. This is also a plastic applicator with very thin spikes. It is curved. I like that both of the mascaras have a thin applicator, so it can be easy for smaller eyes to use it. And for me, the packaging is so luxurious. Here we have day number 9. I think it is a lipstick. Done! This one is the matte lipstick in the shade Interview. I think this is a mini. Yeah, it is definitely a mini because I have another shade, the full size of it. It's very, very creamy. And this one can look amazing with the eyeshadow palette of the advent calendar. Very nice shade. You can use it basically every day. After that, let's go to door number 10. So it feels like it is fully packed. I'm going to say again a sheet mask. And these are the Samantha number 7 classic false lashes. I think false lashes was the first product of Huda Beauty. They look absolutely amazing. They are known for the good quality of false lashes that they have. I'm very excited that we have these. If you take good care of your lashes, you can use them for at least 5 times. Of course, you can disinfect them every time. Door number 11. I think this is skincare. I'm going to say again a toner. This is the Wishful Honey Whip Peptide Moisturizer. We have here 20 grams of product, so I'm guessing this is a mini. You can use it maybe for a month or so. I'm curious about the consistency. Oh my god, it is so creamy. I love skincare products with a honey scent. This one is a thicker moisturizer. You don't need a lot of product and also it is very spreadable. Let's continue with day number 12. These are the Wishful Eye Lift and Snatch Instant Sculpting Masks. You can apply them on the under eye area and they are suitable for all skin types. Very elegant packaging. The variety of this advent calendar is great for someone that doesn't have a lot of products by this brand. I'm gonna give it 4.5 stars because we have some mini products, and also I think it is too expensive for what we are getting. With other advent calendars, the overall value of the products is usually 3 times what you have paid. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar and what is your favorite product. Mine are the palette and the moisturizer, and you can watch next the Sephora favorites advent calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!